2, 1.
Hey, Ann, I need to make sure that you know that I'm going to have you start working a little bit on my calendar, helping me set up meetings and follow up with them. I've added the Allen's calendar rules, procedures to our VA task list. Please make sure you take a look at that. It's the task right before our video task list. Don't forget that every video that I send you also needs to be added to this list for future viewing. All right, so the one thing that I need you to do for sure on this is go to your email. When you go to your email, you're going to open up your calendar. All right. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to click this button here, hit calendar. All right. Now, in order for you to be able to see my, give me one second. All right. In order for you to be able to see my calendar, you're going to need to go down here where it says other calendars. Now, please make sure you're logged into your White Picket Realty email in order for you to be able to do that. All right. You're going to add 2 calendars for certain that you're going to be helping me with. The first one is going to be Alan at White Picket Realty. So you're going to add that, press enter. All right. And the next one is going to be Vanessa at White Picket Realty. All right. And you're going to add that one. All right. And what's going to happen is you're going to see them in different colors here. So this here is mine. You can see that I have where all my meetings that I have. And then Vanessa's can be a different color, and you can change the color on here for, you know, whatever color you would like. All right. You can also take the stuff off that you don't want to see. So if you don't want to see some of these things, or if you want to see someone else's that you're helping, you can do that as well. All right. So here's how we're going to create an appointment. In this case, what I'm going to have you do is create an appointment for one of my agents because it works in the same exact regard. So I'm going to send you this email here. Okay. And this is usually what I would have you do. Appointment. Pose and client. All right. So the way that you're going to do this is by going to your calendar, okay? And you see how I said I need this appointment set at 9:30 a.m. Flycaster is a subject. Here's some notes. All right, plain and simple. So tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Here it is. It's a phone call, no big deal. Okay. And we're going to click on the time that we're going to be using. We're going to name it phone call for Flycaster. We're going to hit edit event. Now, edit event, the things that I want you to add for sure are the location. In this case, it's not gonna be a personal meeting, it's gonna be a phone meeting. Okay, and go ahead and add in the, if it's a phone meeting, you go ahead and add the person's number there. All right, so I want you to look for the number here. In this case, we're gonna go to view lead. It's gonna take us to the guy's number, it's right here. We're gonna copy it, and we're gonna paste it, okay? All right, here I'm going to add a description or some notes. Okay, so what notes am I going to add? Just anything that I sent to you, just copy it. Okay, paste it right there, and then you're going to add the guests. So you're going to add rows, and then you're also going to add the actual client's email if they gave you one, so that they know that that is a scheduled time that we're going to be calling them. Okay, you're going to add them there as guests. All right. After that, you're going to click on save. It's going to ask you if you want to send out an invitation. You're absolutely going to say yes. But before you do that, I want you to make sure you look at this down here. Okay, very important. You're going to be setting these up on your calendar, and you're going to be managing these for me. Okay, so I want you to make sure that you have a notification. This notification goes out both to you, and it also goes out to the people that are being set up as guests. So it's important that you set up a notification within enough time so that they are reminded. I would say that a minimum of 30 minutes is appropriate so that you can, at that point, follow up and make sure that the phone call and meeting is still going to happen, that everyone's still available. And again, I'm going to just go over here, click save. Now make sure that when you see here, guests cannot modify the event. And of course they can invite others and see the guest list. There will be different times when I'll ask you to check or uncheck that, but for the most part, just leave that the way it is. All you have to do is change this to 30, click save, and move forward. I'm not going to set this because I actually want you to try it yourself, and then I'm going to send you another one to set for me. All right, let me know if you have any questions.